Hello my dear students, this video is the second part of the topic national movement. Students, in the previous video we have discussed that how a feeling of the nationalism, national consciousness emerged among the Indians and how they all became united and what were the causes behind it. Now in this video we will see that how from the mid of the 19th century various political organizations were formed by the Indians. There was the reason behind it. From the mid of the 19th century, especially the intellectual class, intellectual Indians, the educated class of the Indians, they realized that now they were very much distressed by the policies of the Britishers, and that's why now they realized that now there is a need in the country to form a political body, to organize a political national body, to raise their voice, to raise their grievances before the government, to put up their opinion before them. So what happened from the mid of the 19th century, so many political body, political association started to be formed. And remember, these political associations were mainly formed by the educated Indian people, okay, intellectual class. So the first association which was formed was the British Indian Association, and it was formed in 1851 in the region of Bengal. Remember students, Bengal at that time, now also it is the region where most of the population was the educated one, means the main intellectual class among the Indians during the time of the Britishers, they live in the region of Bengal. You know the name of Bankim Chattopadhyay Upadhyay, and the one who wrote Vande Mataram, that is Bankim Chattopadhyay. He also wrote the novel Anand Month, in which he wrote this song of Vande Mataram. All these means educated class among the Indians, they live mainly in the region of Bengal. Okay, so the first association, political association, was formed in the region of Bengal in 1851, and the name of the association was British Indian Association. It was formed to raise their demand, means in the association firstly demanded from the Britishers to have a share in the administration. They demanded from the Britishers that India should also be given some certain kind of the position in the administration. Another association formed was the Bombay Association. It was formed in 1852. In 1852, mainly two associations formed. One was the Bombay Association in the region of Bombay, and another was the Madras Native Association. Okay. Now, when you see the map of India, it will be in the region of Bengal, the association formed, then the Bombay, and then the Madras. Okay. And now come to the next one, East India Association. It was formed in 1866 by Dada Bhai Naroji, well-known person, a very renowned person who wrote a very popular book named Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. And this association, which was formed by Dada Bhai Naroji, East India Association, it was formed in the region in London, means in Britain. The association was formed to aware the people in Britain also about the grievances of Indians, the problem faced by the Indian. And at that time, Dada Bhai Naroji also wrote a book named Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, through which he sought to prove that through his book, he gave the theory of the drain of wealth done by the Britishers from India to Britain, means how Britishers were draining the wealth of India to Britain. And through this, he sought to prove that the main cause of the Indian poverty was the British exploitative policy which were there in India. So till now we studied about the British Indian Association, then Bombay Association, then Madras Association, and then East India Association, which was formed in London, not in India, by Dadabhai Naoroji in 1866. After this, the Pune Savjanak Sabha was formed by Mahadev Govind Ranade in 1870s. And the association was formed, and the focus of the association to the poor social, economic and the political condition of the Indians. Then the Indian Association of Calcutta formed in 1876, and it was formed by Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Bose, Mohan Bose. Then Madras Mahajan Sabha, it was established in 1884 by Subramaniam Iyer. Then Bombay Presidency Association 1885 and it was established by Ferozi Shah Mehta and Badruddin Tayyabji. So students, here you have studied about so many political associations which were mainly established by the Indians after the mid of the 19th century, means second half of the 19th century. And these associations were mainly established to spread the public awareness regarding the policies of the Britishers and to make the Britishers also aware about the grievances, about the problems, about the interests of the Indians. So at the end, one of the very important association was established, that was the Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress. And this association was established in 1885 and it was established mainly by the initiation of one of the retired British official, and his name was A.O. Hume. So in detail we will study regarding the Indian National Congress, we will study in another video. Thank you all.